Okay, good morning students. What we got learned in the previous class? We learned different types of animals. Okay, animals are classified into the places they live. So, adoda living places which animals வந்து categorize பண்ணோம். So, some animals are live on land. So, that animals are called land animal. And some animals are live in water. So, that type of animals are called water animals, and some animals are live both on land as well as in water. So, that animals are called amphibians. We learn. Okay. So, today we are going to learn one new topic. What's your favorite food, ma? It's okay. My favorite food is biryani. So, why you like this biryani? Why I like biryani? Because that biryani is made from add some spices, chicken, and then meat. So some items are added in this food. So that only I like very much that food. So like us, animals also eat different kinds of food to live and grow. Okay. So in this lesson today, in this video, we are going to learn what do animals eat. Okay. Today we are going to learn what do animals eat. Animals eat. So, what do animals eat? Like us, animals also eat different kinds of food to live and grow. So, today we are going to animals. What do animals eat? So, first one is plant eaters. Animals that eat green grass, leaves, fruits, vegetables are called the plant eaters. Okay, animals that eat green grass, leaves, fruits and vegetables are called the plant eaters. Okay, human beings also, in the previous topic we learned vegetarian and non-vegetarian food item. Some people eat only vegetarian food. Some people eat that non-veg, meat, chicken, egg. So, vegetarian and non-vegetarian. So, like us, animals also eat these categories. Some animals eat only plant products. Some animals eat only flesh of other animals. Some animals eat both plant as well as in flesh of other animals. Okay. So, animals that eat green grass, leaves, fruits and vegetables. Fruits and vegetables are called plant eaters or known as plant eaters. Eaters or herbivores. Its another one name is what? Herbivores. சரியா, plant eaters சொல்லலாம். Its another one name is herbivores. Plant eating animals are called herbivores. And next one is flesh eaters. Animals that eat flesh of other animals are called flesh eaters. Okay, animals that eat flesh of other animals are called flesh eaters. Or another one name is carnivores. Okay, so that the plant eaters, some examples of herbivores are cows, buffaloes and elephants, zebra. So, these are all the plant eaters. And then animals. Next one is the flesh eaters. Animals that eat flesh of other animals. That eat flesh of other animals are called flesh eaters. called flesh eaters or carnivores. Carnivores. Okay, some examples of flesh eaters are lion, leopards, tiger, fox. So these are all the examples of carnivores. And then next one is omnivore or both eaters. Both eaters. Animals that eat plants. Okay, animals that eat plants as well as flesh of other animals. Flesh of other animals are called both eaters. As another one name is omnivores or omnivores. And then some examples of omnivores are bird, crow, monkey, dog. So these are all the examples of omnivore. Okay, so animals are categorized into their eating habits. The animals are eating habits which they are all categorized into different groups. First one is plant eaters. Animals that eat green grass, leaves, fruits and vegetables are known as plant eaters. And then animals, plant eaters or another one name is herbivores. Some examples of herbivores: cows, buffaloes, elephants, zebras, giraffe, deer, goat. So these animals are eat only that plant products. And then next one is flesh eaters. Animals that eat flesh of other animals are called flesh eaters. Innor animal oda flesh saapidakudiyada flesh eaters. So is another one name is carnivores. Okay, so another one name is what carnivores. Some examples of flesh eaters are lion, leopard, tiger, fox. So these are all the flesh eating animals. And the next one is both eaters. Some animals eat both plant products as well as the flesh of other animals. So these animals are called both eaters or omnivores. Omnivores is solved. So animals that eat plants as well as flesh of other animals are called both eaters or omnivores. Some examples of omnivores are bear, crow, monkey, dog. Okay, and then apart from these animals, some animals are apart from these animals, there are a few animals or insects who survive on other different kinds of food. For examples, that insects like bees and honeybees and birds like hummingbirds suck nectar from flowers. Okay, so nectar means what? So that is one of the sweet liquid found in flowers. So honey like substance. So there are some animals are, and then a dog, birds like sparrow and parrot, pigeons. So these animals eat only grains. And then frog, lizard and spider eat worms and insects. Honeybees and butterflies, and birds like insect like honeybees and birds like hummingbirds. Birds like hummingbirds. Hummingbirds suck nectar from flowers. suck nectar from flowers. And then that nectar means that is one of the sweet liquid found in flowers. And then birds like sparrow, pigeons, parrot, sparrows, pigeons, parrots or eat only grains. And then lizard, frog, lizards, frog, spider eat insects and worms. Worms means small சின்ன புழுக்கள் மாதிரி இருக்குது. So eat insects and worms. Okay, so these are all the different animals. Apart from there are few animals or insects eat who survive on different kinds of food. So இதெல்ல nectar is one of the sweet liquid found in the flower. அதை வந்து என்ன செய்யும், சக் பண்ணி அதோட மவுத் பார்ட்ஸ் பார்த்தீங்கன்னா டியூப் மாதிரி இருக்கும். ஸோ தீஸ் பேர்ட்ஸ் அண்ட் அனிமல்ஸ் ஹாவ் இன்செக்ட்ஸ் ஹாவ் டியூப் லைக் மவுத் பார்ட்ஸ். ஸோ அது என்ன பண்ணும், ஃப்ளார்ஸில் இருக்கக்கூடிய ஹனியை சக் பண்ணி எடுக்கிறதுக்கு இஸ் யூஸ்டு. அண்ட் தென் பேர்ட்ஸ் லைக் ஸ்பேரோ, பிஜியன், பேரட் இதெல்லாம் என்ன செய்யும், தீஸ் டைப் ஆஃப் பேர்ட்ஸ் ஈட் ஒன்லி கிரைன்ஸ் மட்டும் தான் சாப்பிடும். அண்ட் தென் லிசர்ட், ஃப்ராக், ஸ்பைடர் ஈட் இன்செக்ட்ஸ் அண்ட் வார்ம்ஸ். Okay, and then another one interesting fact. Okay, frog has a sticky tongue. Okay, frog has a sticky tongue. Sticky means ஒரு பசை மாதிரி ஒரு இது அதோட டங்கில் இருக்குது. ஸோ இட் which it just out to catch on insect. Okay, frog has a sticky tongue. It just out to catch on insect. அது என்ன பண்ணும், தன்னோட நாக்கை வெளியே நிற்கணுன்னு. ஸோ ஏதாவது ஒரு இன்செக்ட்ஸ் அப்படியே ஃப்ளை ஆகிட்டு இருந்ததுன்னா ஸோ அந்த ஃப்ராகோட டங்கில் வந்து இட்ஸ் பேஸ்ட். அண்ட் தென் the insect cannot escape from the sticky substance of the tongue. அது ஒன்ஸ் வந்து ஒரு இன்செக்ட் வந்து ஃப்ராகோட டங்கில் இதாக ஆயிடுச்சுன்னா அதனால எஸ்கேப் ஆக முடியாது. ஸோ cannot escape from the sticky substance of the tongue and a food for a frog. ஸோ அந்த ஃப்ராகுக்கு என்ன ஆயிரும், ஃபுட்டு கிடச்சிரும். ஸோ என்ன செய்யும், ஸோ தட் ஃப்ராக் ஹாஸ் அ ஸ்டிக்கி டங். அதோட நாக்கு வந்து ஃப்ராக், லிசர்ட்ஸ்லாம் பார்த்தீங்கன்னா அதோட டங்கில் வந்து ஒரு ஸ்டிக்கி சப்ஸ்டன்ஸ் ஆஃப் ப்ரெசன்ட். ஸோ அது என்ன பண்ணும், விச் இஸ் கேட்ச், இன்செக்டை பிடிக்கிறதுக்காக நாக்கை வந்து வெளியே இது பண்ணிகிட்டு இருக்கும், ஜஸ்ட் டு கேட்ச் அன் இன்செக்ட். ஸோ ஒன்ஸ் தட் இன்செக்ட்ஸ் ஆர் அட்டாச்ட் ஆன் தி ஃப்ராக்ஸ் டங்க் இஸ் ஃபுட் ஃபார் த ஃப்ராக். அது வந்து அப்புறம் அந்த ஃப்ராகுக்கு ஃபுட்டாக ஆயிரும். ஓகேம்மா? ஸோ டுடே வி ஆர் கோயிங் டு லேர்ன் what do animals eat. There are different kinds of eating habits of animals. First one is plant eaters. Pathom, animals that eat green grass, fruits, vegetables. The type of animals are called the plant eaters. This another one name is herbivores. So, some examples of herbivores are plants சாப்பிடக்கூடிய animals எல்லாமே plant eaters சொல்லுவோம். Cow, goat, zebra, giraffe, deer, elephants. So these are all the plant eaters. And the next one is the flesh eaters. Some animals that eat only flesh of other animals are called the flesh eaters. This another one name is carnivores. Okay, carnivores. C-A-R-N-I-V-O-R-E-S. Carnivores. So these type of some examples of carnivores are lion, leopard, tiger, wolf, fox. These animals are a carnivore animal. And then next one both eaters. So another one name is omnivores. So some animals eat plant as well as in flesh of other animals. So that type of animals are called both eaters or omnivores. Okay, omnivores. Some examples of omnivores are bear, monkey, crow, okay, dog. So these animals are an omnivore animal. And what we learn, apart from these animals, there are few animals or insects who survive on different kinds of food. அது வந்து உயிர் வாழ்றதுக்கு அதுக்கு different types of food they need. So that insects like honeybees and butterflies and birds like hummingbird. So these animals have a suck nectar from flowers. flowers. நெக்டாரில் வந்து ஒரு ஸ்வீட் லிக்யூட் இருக்கும், லிக்யூட் லைக் சப்ஸ்டன்ஸ் ஆஃப் ஃபவுண்ட் இன் ஃப்ளவர்ஸ். ஸோ அதை வந்து சக் பண்ணி எடுக்குது. அண்ட் தென் birds like sparrows, pigeons, parrots or eat only grains, and lizards, frogs, spider eat insects and worms. And then next we learn useful animals. Next we learn useful animals. Okay, animals are very useful to us. Useful animals. Animals are very useful to us. We get most of the product from them. Okay, we get milk from cows, goats, buffaloes and camels. Okay, we make curd, cheese, butter and ghee from the milk. We get milk from cows, buffaloes, goats and camels. We make curd, cheese, butter and ghee from the milk. So in the milk we can prepare, we can make a cheese, butter, ghee, curd. Okay, in the milk. And then we get eggs from hen. We get eggs from where, ma? We get eggs from hen. Eggs from hens. And then we get meat from goats, sheep, hens and fish. Okay, and then we get honey from honeybees. We get meat from, okay, we get meat from, we can get honey from beehives of honeybees. Beehives of honeybees. Honeybees is used for make, honeybees is used to make food. Make food. And then we get wool. We get wool from sheep. We get wool from sheep. Sheep is used to make, it is used to make woolen cloths. So wool is used to make woolen cloths. Woolen cloths. And then silk. Silk is, we get silk from silkworm. We get silk from silkworm. We get silk from silkworm is used to make, silk is used to make make silk cloth such as silk cloth such as silk saree and dresses, saree and dresses. Okay, and then so we get milk from cows, buffaloes, goats and camels. Okay, camels. We make curd, cheese, butter and ghee from the milk. We get eggs from hens. We get meat from goats, sheep, hens and fish. And then we get honey from the beehives of honeybees is used to make food. Honey நம்ம என்ன செய்றோம் food use பண்ணிக்கிறோம். And then we get wool from sheep is used to make woolen cloths. And we get silk from silkworm. Silk is used for make silk cloth is used to such as silk sarees and dresses. And then apart from the animals also used, animals are very useful to us even after they die. Even after they die. அதுக்கப்புறம் அனிமல்ஸ் இறந்த பிறகு கூட நம்மளுக்கு நிறைய ஹெல்ப் பண்ணுது. ஸோ the skin of some animals are used to make leather products such as bag, belt, shoes and jackets etc. Okay, சில அனிமல்ஸோட ஸ்கின் லெதரை வச்சு நம்ம பெல்ட், பேக், ஷூஸ்லாம் மேக் பண்ணுறாங்க. Okay, skins of some animals are used to make leather products such as bags, belts, shoes and jackets etc. Okay, and then we should never kill animals is obtained for leatherக்காக நம்ம அனிமல்ஸ் வந்து கில் பண்ண கூடாது. But we should never kill animals is obtained for leather. நம்மளுக்கு லெதர் கிடைக்குங்கிறதுக்காக நம்ம அனிமல்ஸ் என்ன செய்யக்கூடாது, கில் பண்ணக்கூடாது. Okay, and then some animals are carry load for us. For example, elephant, horses, donkeys, camels or carry oxen or carry load for us, carry heavy loads. Okay, heavy load and then help us. And then oxen and horses are attached to pull cart. Okay, attached to cart to pull load. And then oxen are used to make flapping and digging the field. Oxen இந்த காலமாடு நம்மளுக்கு எதுக்கு ஹெல்ப் பண்ணும், நம்மளோட ஃபீல்டை வந்து டிக் தோன்றதுக்கு and then flap பண்ணுறதுக்குலாம் is used. And then an elephant is used to carrying a log of wood. A donkey is carrying a load. And then oxen, a pair of oxen is used to pulling a field. And then a horse is pulling a cart. So some animals are using carrying load for us. Some animals carrying load for us. Examples: elephants, oxen, horses, horses, donkeys, donkeys or carry heavy loads, heavy loads, and then heavy loads. Oxen, horses and oxen are attached to cart to pull load. Can you see this cart, oxen cart? So that oxen and that horses and oxen are attached to cart. அது பின்னால ஒரு வண்டி மாதிரி அட்டாச் பண்ணி அதுலயே லோட் ஏத்திட்டு போவாங்க. So full load. And then oxen are used to make flapping the field. Flapping the field and digging the flapping and digging the field. Digging the field. And then an elephant carrying a log of wood, and then பெரிய பெரிய மரத்தண்டு தடிகளை தூக்கிட்டு போகும் elephant. And then a donkey carrying a load. And a pair of oxen ரெண்டு மாடு சேர்ந்து என்ன செய்யும், ஃபீல்டை ஃப்ளப் பண்ணுறதுக்கு ஹெல்ப் பண்ணும். ஃப்ளப்பிங் தி ஃபீல்டு. And then a horse carrying a cart. Okay, so animals are used in many ways for us. Okay, some animals are carrying load for us, example elephant, oxen, horses, donkeys are used for us, and then carrying heavy loads. Horses and oxen are attached to cart to pull load. பின்னால வண்டி அட்டாச் பண்ணி அதுல இருந்து நிறைய லோட் கொண்டு போறதுக்கு ஹார்ஸும் ஆக்ஸன் ஹெல்ப் பண்ணுது. And then oxen are used to make flapping and digging the field. தரையை நம்மளோட உழவு நிலங்களை உள்றதுக்கு ஹெல்ப் பண்ணுது. And then an elephant carrying a log of wood. மரத்துண்டுகள், பெரிய பெரிய மரத்துண்டுகளை தூக்குறதுக்கு an elephant is helped. The donkey carrying a load, and then a pair of oxen ploughing the field, and then a horse carrying a cart. Okay, now I am asking some questions in this lesson. Yes, what is the plant eaters? Animals that eat plants of other animals are called plant eaters. Okay, what is the omnivore? Animals that eat plants as well as in flesh of other animals are called omnivores or both eaters. Okay, some examples of omnivores: bear, crow, dog, monkey. So these are only examples of omnivores. And then name some examples. Where do we get from honey? We get honey from beehives of honeybees. Where do we get from wool? We get wool from sheep. Okay, it's used to make woolen cloths. And then what are the uses of oxen? Oxen is used to flapping and digging the field. And then oxen are attached to cart to pull load. And then what is the donkey also carrying heavy loads. And then what are the uses of where do we get from milk? What do we get? Where do we get? We get milk from cows, goats, buffaloes and camels. Okay ma? So if anybody have any doubt in this lesson, I hope all of you understood very well in this topic. So because of this is very interesting one. So in our day to day life we can see so many animals. So we should never kill or injure any animals. Okay ma? So we should take care of animals and keep them properly. Okay, so I hope all of you understood this topic very well. So learn well. Okay ma? Thank you.